think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life, hey. There's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what others have and live your life, hey. Be aware of who you are, what you're good at. Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word out your mouth has purpose now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they got a lot.
So what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Tapos na kami nag-workout, nag-flex day lang kami, quick flex day. And kung last week, nag-try kami sa Bikers Cafe ng cheat meal. So ngayon, itatry namin sa Ikea. So tatry ko sa Ikea kung solid ba yung meals nila doon. And watch this. So let's go to Ikea.
You got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh.
So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa Ikea. So yeah, mamimili na kami ng food. So tignan nyo, solid to. Solid daw dito.
And all I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those hips move, I'm thinking, damn girl. Yeah, just let me be your man, girl. Your blood's running through my veins like it's cocaine. We always move fast, never in the slow lane. Enough foreplay, baby, this my domain. Don't wait, take the wheel and we can go play. Oh, you a bad girl, know what you like. Yeah, said you like your eggs with a little sunny side. Yeah, said you make them beg 4 seconds every time. Yeah, I'm here to feel your legs out, tingle in the night. Yeah, I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those hips move, I'm thinking, damn girl. Yeah, just let me be your man, girl. She got me all in by the way that she fallin' down that pole, throwing ones like I'm ballin'. Call me a pro cause I know how to call them. Damn, she fine, I just wanna see her all. I like rock and roll, don't stop it, no. I like a bad chick dropping.
So ayun guys, tapos na kami kumain. And to be honest, kung kakain kayo dito sa Ikea, mas okay lang yung meatballs na lang orderin nyo. Huwag na kayo umorder pa ng mga salmon, steak ribs, or kahit na ano. Mas sulit pa yung meatballs. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Damn, she fine, I just wanna see her all. I like rock and roll, don't stop it, no. I like a bad chick dropping low down to the floor. Her body I'll explore.